So let's take a look at how you can create travel budget tracker in Airtable. So we'll start with Scratch. Here you can take the data from Excel or Google Sheets or even paste data or even get CSV file. Right now I will just remove this prompt. Right now what we can do is we will get rid of some of the existing fields within our base. Right now we can check the status, and here you see we have one primary field left which we can edit to auto number. Right now next thing, we will save this and move on to our new field where we have description, which is single line text. So within my travel budget there will be description of thing that we will add for budgeting. Right, then we will add category, which is going to be multi-choice. Right, so here I can choose from transport. Right, then we have lodging, then we have food, then we have entertainment and other. Right, we will create the field and then move on to quantity. Right, we can use number for this, so let's go with number field. So here you see number. Right, make sure it's integer, create the field. Now we will also be making use of amount, or before that we will have to use unit. Right, so considering we have total budget as well, so we will have to multiply quantity into unit formula. So we'll take a look at that part too. Right, so create the field and finally amount. Right, so amount also has. Right, then we have integer, create the field, and here let's kind of see if we require some sort of a formula, but considering if there are any formula there, we can check that. So formula is basically amount equals to quantity into units. So we will use quantity into unit. Right, so that's our formula. Right, so we'll save that. We have our amount here, so we will add one. So description here for our travel budget tracker. So I will edit the base, so travel budget tracker, and I can add similar icon. Right, so here description, let's say if I choose food, which is packaged, category, choose from the option food. Right, quantity we are taking 5. Right, unit, each unit would be costing a specific number, so 5. Then here we can set quantity into price. Right, and we will also be changing the formula for that. Right, so price into unit. So right, so each will be around say of 20, then units are 5, amount would be 100. Right, so everything is proper up to this point. Now I can keep on adding the entries here. Right, so it could be food, transportation, lodging, entertainment and others. Right, so now the next thing we will use views, then form, and use travel budget tracker. Now here I can choose the person. Right, and if there are any collaborators I can add. Create new view, remove this view, and as you can see here everything looks perfect. I can open it in form view. So you can now share this particular URL with those who you are budgeting with. So let's say first halt lodging, right? Option we will choose lodging. Price will be there 800 a night, so 850 is the price. Total number of people we have, say 3. Now our cost will be generated over there, right? So I can get to our grid view, and here you see fourth entry. This fourth entry because we didn't fill the second and third, so it will go to 4 as it is auto numbering. It will add the entry lodging, price, unit, and amount, right? Now you can experiment with some of the fields, add something your own. You can even add your Zapier to work for this tracker, and hope this helps you to track travel budget in Airtable.